All right. This is my third or fourth pair of AirPods. This is the new Gen 3 AirPod, not Pros, but just the regular third gen. They're kind of based off the Pro version with the same type of layout as the first gen. Yeah, just a little unboxing. I just want to show you. That's what it looks like outside the box.
Yeah, just be careful with that. If you don't like it, later on we're gonna return it. So save everything. Okay.
Right. The precious Apple.
This is his
packaging.
present for himself.
Yes, this is my present.
And this is Arjan. Arjan.
Hello. Ta-da. And then just like that. Wow. Sorry, my hands are gonna. Boom. Okay. Boom.
No, it's too small.
It's them. Small little ear thingies.
Are you sure this is?
See if they fit. Oh yeah.
It's okay. It's gonna
Yeah,
come
not
off.
bad.
It's not
I
gonna.
don't think they're
come
gonna come off. Some people they say it will, but I
Okay.
hope these don't fall out. Anyway, that's the review.
off. Review already?
Yeah.
Are you gonna program it?
I gotta test the sound quality.
Okay, so how that works?
Just like this. You get your iPhone, and then you hit connect.
Oh. And then.
Boom. That's it. They're connecting. Look at that.
Wow.
Boom.
Skip that. Skip that. What is that? Get started.
Hold on. I'm just gonna activate all this. This is all your
What is that?
spatial sound and awareness and stuff. Oh. Take AirPods out of the ears to continue.
He just got a new iPhone too. And the iPhone is iPhone Pro Max number 14. iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Yeah, with the new AirPods. Let's go.
No AirPods. Wow, spoiled guy, huh?
What's up?
Must be nice. Take a picture of that thing. Okay, put it in there. Take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
It's already connected. You can use it already. Go check the Spotify. Okay, at least 5 minutes though. And then, well, we went to Costco and get this pajama. Get the pajama. One small and one large. The small and the large pajama. Yeah. For present. That's all we have right now. I am going to also give one for Tita Helen. Where is the present for Tita Helen? I went to her house yesterday. And I'm supposed to give her the present, but I forgot my present. So, I guess I have to go back there and bring her present one day. Okay, so you're done?
That's it.
All
Those are
right. It's working?
good. Yeah.
Okay. How much is that? Do I have to tell them?
No, good.
Okay. He doesn't want to tell you guys how much is the cost of that. You should check it out yourself. All right. So, say see ya.
See ya.
Okay guys, we just finished shopping. We went to Costco and right now Arjan bought an AirPods to match his new iPhone. So See you again later. Bye. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.